Next Wednesday.
Well, did you get your plan? Yes, it's science 23rd. That's Wednesday, inshallah.
Yeah.
Next week, see, this week, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 3 days, I have complete days for revising, girls. So don't worry at all. Even math, I will again. Remember how we did the revision in one of the quiz where you scored well? I will again and again give you questions, ask you each one by one, and you will solve with me. So when I make sure that you are doing very good and you're solving it perfectly, okay, so that you will definitely score good mark in your test. Okay, so this
Okay.
is my responsibility to prepare you for your exam and for your test, and your responsibility to review that or to repeat those examples what we are doing in the class at morning. You will repeat those questions and solve again and again in your copybooks. Is this clear?
Yes.
So here, a community's water supply can be protected by conserving water, preventing pollution, testing water quality. They are the four things, girls. First, by saving water, by keeping the water away from what pollution, not throwing things, and you have quality. You will check the water quality. You'll test the water quality and treating wastewater. Girls, I can give you in the fill in the blank. A community water supply can be protected by conserving water, preventing pollution. What is next? Testing water quality and treating wastewater. Is this clear?
Yes.
Next, land resources can be protected by preservation, reclamation and reforestation, reducing urban sprawl, and the third next was recycling and solve. Best, girls, remember this by making some names like PRS, reclamation, reducing urban sprawl, and you have recycling, soil conservation. Here you had conserving water, preventing pollution. You had next was water testing water quality. The main way to reduce air pollution is to reduce the amount of fuels burned in air. You know those, like, if we are not using buses and cars a lot and we have metro stations, that will avoid air pollution. Dash is the wise use of natural resources. Blank here. What is the use of natural resources? Conservation, that is saving. Dash is the careful and responsible how you manage it and how you use it. If I say using, you will write conservation. Say management of resource, you will say stewardship. Again, girls, very important. I'll give you what is the meaning of you are responsible for managing a resource. That is stewardship.
Stewardship.
Stewardship. And what is the use of natural resource?
Conservation.
How can water pollution be prevented? This you can write by your own. How can it be prevented? By not throwing things inside that, not spilling out oil. Okay. Type of land resource conservation. A country creates a park to project.
Preservation.
So what is it? They are saying it's preservation. You're preserving it. A mining company puts soil back in hole and plant grass seeds. It's a
Reclamation.
Then we have reforestation for logging company plants new trees. Because planting new trees, when you see it plant new trees, that is reforestation. Plastic milk bottle is turned into planks of boardwalk beach.
Recycling.
It's reducing urban sprawl.
Recycling.
Just a second, please.
Okay.
Do you know where your water comes from
Can
when
you
you
hear
turn on
that,
the
girls?
faucet?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
You can't avoid all negative impact on resources. Wa- Many humans reducing air pollution is important. There are a number of ways to improve soil condition, each of which may help to prevent the degradation of farmland. Click the pictures to learn more.
We need to see from here. Contour plowing, I told you they will, they will make it into the direction like zigzag so that it retains water. If imagine girls, you don't have slope, like example, and what is the meaning of slope? Like slides. So the water may not fall down so quickly.
Contour plowing involves plowing and planting across the changing slope of land rather than in straight lines. This helps to retain water and reduce soil erosion.
Did you understand, girls? Contour plowing, what they do is they put the cross directions, not straight, so that water doesn't flow. When it is crossed, the water takes time to flow. The slope also is not that slide.
Terracing involves cutting a steep slope into a series of broad, nearly level terraces. This retains water and can reduce soil erosion. No-till farming is a method where there is no disturbance to the soil when planting. This can reduce soil erosion and loss of water, as well as save energy. Nutrient-fixing plants, such as soybeans and other legumes, can help restore nutrients to the soil. Planting these close to regular crops in alternating rows, or alternating these plants with regular crops each year, helps to improve soil conditions. Now that you've learned what causes land degradation and how we can repair or prevent it, let's check what you know.
Please read
Which of
this.
these statements about
Which one?
reducing and repairing land degradation
Land
are
degradation,
true?
which are true.
Click all answers that are true. Click OK when you are finished.
Recycling cans and bottles, is it for land degradation?
Yes.
Preserving existing natural areas or forests can reduce the, okay, yes. Okay. Vertical mixed use development is primarily intended to prevent urban runoff. Vertical mixed use development is intend to reduce urban sprawl, but might also improve air quality because it reduces the need for driving. Vertical mixed use development, girls. Does it reduce the air quality also?
No.
Yes, because when you are reducing the driving, the need of driving, it doesn't cause air pollution much. That's why, okay?
Almost.
Okay, this is
Okay.
wrong because
There are
recycling
many
water
things
doesn't
that
help
can
for
be done
land
to help
degradation.
reduce and repair.
Recycling is like, because they say they completely eliminate. Does it completely eliminate the need of reclamation? No, it doesn't completely eliminate. We have other steps also.
Who is responsible for reducing air pollution?
Air pollution, girls.
We are all responsible. Citizens, business, and government. Working to reduce air pollution is a team effort. most efforts focus on reducing the use of fossil fuels.
So
When
of
burned,
these
fossil
statements-
fuels release carbon dioxide, methane, and other gases that are harmful to air quality into the atmosphere. Which of these statements best describes why reducing fossil fuels is important for reducing pollution?
Tell me
Click the correct answer.
statements important for reducing air pollution. Because fossil fuels are the only cause of air pollution. Is it the only cause? Fossil
No.
main source of air pollution? Because the use, yes, they are the
Correct. Even though there are other sources of air pollution, fossil fuels are still the main source of air pollution.
okay.
Okay.
Have you ever heard the phrase,
Just see the summary and we'll end up the class.
you've learned a lot about conserving Earth's resources. Before you finish, let's take a quick look at the main points you covered. Stewardship is everyone's job. It takes every individual, including you and me, to help conserve our water, land, and air resources. Becoming a wise steward of water means keeping it clean and using less. Becoming a wise steward of the land means avoiding or repairing land degradation by such methods as reforestation. Becoming a wise steward of air means reducing fossil fuel emissions by burning less oil, coal, and natural gas. Now that you've finished this lesson, if you wish, you can go back and review any part of the lesson again.
Okay, good. That's it for today. Thank you so much, guys.